Imagine waking up one morning, reaching for your cup of tea, and realizing your arms feel weaker than they used to. You shrug it off, thinking maybe you just slept wrong. But over time, those small signs start showing up more often. Jars become harder to open, stairs feel steeper, and even carrying groceries starts to feel like a mini workout. What's happening isn't just getting older. It's something millions of women over 60 quietly struggle with every single day, a hidden condition called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. Sarcopenia doesn't happen overnight. It creeps in slowly, starting around your late 40s and accelerating after 60. And here's the thing most people don't realize. Muscle loss isn't just about looking weaker. It's about losing independence, balance, energy, and confidence. It's about the fear of falling, the frustration of feeling tired all the time, and the silent worry that your body might not keep up with your spirit. But here's the good news, it doesn't have to be that way. Because new research from Japanese longevity experts has revealed a simple 30-second morning trick that can literally wake up your muscle fibers, signal your body to stop breaking them down, and help rebuild them naturally, even if you haven't exercised in years. Before we dive into what that trick is, it's important to understand what causes this muscle loss in the first place, and why women, especially after menopause, are hit hardest. When estrogen levels drop, it sets off a domino effect. Protein synthesis slows down, metabolism weakens, and muscles start breaking down faster than your body can repair them. The result? Everyday strength begins to fade, posture slouches, and that vibrant spark you once had starts to dim. But here's the fascinating part, your body isn't broken. It's just waiting for the right signal to wake up again. And that signal can come from something incredibly small, something so quick, you can do it before your morning tea is ready. Japanese health researchers studying older women in Okinawa, one of the world's blue zones, where people regularly live past 100, discovered that their morning routine includes a 30-second activation ritual that keeps their muscles toned, their joints flexible, and their energy high all day. It's not intense exercise, and it doesn't involve weights or machines. It's a mix of deep breathing, gentle tension, and strategic movement that triggers the body's muscle preservation mode. Think of it like flipping a switch in your body. The moment you wake up, your muscles are in a dormant state after hours of sleep. Blood flow is slower, and muscle cells are less responsive. This simple trick boosts oxygen flow, wakes up muscle tissue, and activates the production of mitochondria, the little energy factories inside your cells. Within minutes, your body starts producing more energy, and your muscles begin firing again. But here's where it gets really interesting. When combined with the right morning nutrition, this 30-second trick can actually reverse muscle loss. Yes, reverse it. You see, one of the reasons most women struggle to regain strength after 60 is because their body doesn't absorb protein the same way it used to. But the women in these longevity regions use a specific nutrient pairing that unlocks protein absorption and makes their muscles rebuild faster, even from small amounts of food. Imagine your muscles like a sponge. When you're young, they're soft and ready to absorb every bit of nutrition. But with age, that sponge becomes dry and stiff. The trick these Japanese women use is like soaking that sponge again. It reactivates your muscle cells' ability to absorb and use nutrients efficiently. And the result? They stay lean, strong, and graceful well into their 80s and 90s. No gym memberships. No intense workouts. Just smart, science-backed habits that anyone can do at home, starting with this one 30-second step. Now, before we get into exactly what this trick is and how to do it, let's talk about why most modern solutions fail. You've probably seen countless ads for protein powders, muscle supplements, or miracle diets that promise to make you stronger. But here's what they don't tell you. If your muscle cells are inactive or sleeping, all that protein just passes through your system and used. It's like pouring water on a closed flower. Nothing happens until the flower opens up. This 30-second activation method opens those muscle flowers. It tells your body, hey, we're awake, we're ready, start building again. Once that happens, even small changes in your diet or movement can make a big difference. Women who start this routine report noticing changes in just 2 weeks, steadier steps, better balance, and more energy during the day. So what exactly do they do in those first 30 seconds after waking up? It begins with what's called muscle priming. You sit or stand comfortably, take a slow deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently tighten your core, arms, and legs, just enough to feel them engage. Then you repeat this tension and release pattern a few times. This simple act triggers a flood of oxygen and blood flow throughout your muscles, sending the signal to your brain. The day has begun. Let's move. This process does more than wake up your muscles. It also stimulates your lymphatic system, helping your body flush out toxins that build up overnight. That's why many people who do this say they feel instantly lighter, more awake, and mentally clearer. It's not magic, it's physiology. When your circulation improves, everything improves. Your energy, your digestion, your focus, even your mood. And if you combine this with a small drink of warm lemon water or green tea afterward, you double the benefits. The hydration and antioxidants fuel your newly awakened muscle cells, helping them perform better all day. The key idea here is activation. Because the biggest mistake many seniors make is starting their day cold. They wake up, go straight for coffee, skip breakfast, and spend the first few hours sitting. By the time their body finally gets moving, it's already in energy debt. This 30-second ritual flips that pattern on its head. You start your day with momentum, and that momentum carries you through every step, every task, every smile you share that day. Now, in a moment, I'll show you how to combine this simple trick with a few smart morning foods to make your body's natural anti-sarcopenia response even stronger. But first, let's pause for a second and think about what this really means for you. Because this isn't just about keeping muscle. It's about keeping freedom. The freedom to walk confidently, to play with your grandkids, to enjoy gardening, to cook without pain, to laugh without feeling drained. This tiny habit may seem small, but it's a spark that can reignite your body's natural power to renew itself. And the beautiful part? It's never too late to start. Whether you're 60, 70, or 85, your muscles can respond. They're waiting for you to give them that signal. So now that you understand the science behind this 30-second morning trick, let's talk about how to make it work even better. How to build a simple morning routine around it that can literally change the way your body feels and moves within weeks. Because while that 30-second activation is the spark, what you do in the minutes that follow determines how brightly that spark burns through the rest of your day. After you've done the gentle tension and release routine, your muscles are awake, your blood flow has increased, and your cells are ready to absorb nutrients. That's the perfect time to feed them what they need to rebuild. But here's where most people go wrong. They skip breakfast or grab something processed, like cereal, toast, or coffee with sugar. These foods give a quick burst of energy, and then crash it just as fast. Your body ends up stealing protein from your muscles to make up for the drop in energy. Over time, that's how strength fades. So instead, we take a cue from Japanese longevity culture again. Their secret is simple but brilliant. They eat a small, protein-rich breakfast paired with something that supports circulation and metabolism. For example, a traditional Okinawan breakfast might include a boiled egg or tofu with a small serving of miso soup and vegetables. But you don't have to eat Japanese food, the concept is what matters. You want a blend of protein, antioxidants, and hydration first thing in the morning. Imagine starting your day with something like this. A small bowl of oatmeal mixed with chia seeds and a spoon of Greek yogurt. Or a smoothie made from banana, spinach, and a scoop of plant-based protein powder. Add a few walnuts or almonds, and you've just created a meal that tells your body, we're building today, not breaking down. When your body senses both movement and nutrition early in the day, it releases powerful anabolic hormones, natural compounds that trigger muscle repair and protect you from sarcopenia. It's like flipping your body's youth switch back on. But let's go deeper for a moment, because sarcopenia isn't just about what's happening in your muscles. It's a full-body story involving your nerves, hormones, and circulation. And this is why this 30-second trick is so effective. It doesn't isolate your muscles, it reawakens your whole system. Think of your muscles as your body's engine. They burn the most energy, stabilize your joints, and keep your metabolism running smoothly. When that engine slows down, everything else, digestion, heart health, even brain clarity, starts to suffer. That's why so many people over 60 notice not only muscle loss, but also weight gain around the belly, slower metabolism, fatigue, and brain fog. But once you reactivate your muscles, that engine starts burning again, and everything improves. You digest food better, your blood sugar stabilizes, your mood lifts, and you naturally start feeling lighter and more confident. And here's another key: hydration. Most women over 60 are unknowingly dehydrated. Even mild dehydration can shrink muscle cells, reduce elasticity, and make your body think it's under stress. That's why starting your day with a glass of warm water, ideally with a squeeze of lemon, or a pinch of sea salt, can make such a difference. It replenishes your cells, supports electrolyte balance, and primes your muscles for the day ahead. Now you might be wondering, does this mean I need to exercise more? The answer might surprise you, not necessarily. The beauty of this method is that it's built on activation, not exhaustion. While intense exercise can sometimes cause joint strain or fatigue in older adults, these short, intentional movements strengthen your muscles safely by improving the mind-muscle connection. The key is consistency. Even 30 seconds a day, done regularly, creates momentum. Your brain starts to expect movement each morning, your muscles stay alert, and your balance improves naturally. Over time, those 30 seconds can evolve into a minute of stretching, or a light walk after breakfast, or gentle resistance training a few times a week. But the foundation remains the same: wake up your muscles before your day begins. There's also a mental benefit here that can't be overstated. When you start your morning with a small victory, even something as simple as this trick, it sets the tone for your entire day. You begin your morning not as a passive observer of aging, but as an active participant in your own vitality. You feel in control again. And that mindset shift alone can change your life. Women who've adopted this morning habit report remarkable transformations. One woman in her late 60s from California shared that before she started, she could barely lift a basket of laundry without discomfort. But after just 3 weeks of adding this trick and a better morning routine, she noticed her legs felt stronger and her balance improved dramatically. Another woman said she no longer needed her afternoon nap because her energy lasted all day. These aren't coincidences. This is the body responding exactly as it's designed to when given the right signals: movement, oxygen, nutrition, hydration, and a calm, confident mindset. Now, if you want to take this even further, here's an extra layer that can make a world of difference: mindful breathing. After your 30-second activation, take another 30 seconds to focus purely on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your abdomen rise, then exhale slowly through your mouth. This simple act floods your bloodstream with oxygen, helps your body release tension, and balances your nervous system. It also lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that accelerates muscle loss. When cortisol levels stay high, your body goes into survival mode, storing fat and breaking down muscle tissue. By starting your day with deep breathing, you flip that switch off and tell your body, "We're safe. We're calm. We can build now." That's the hidden secret behind the calm, radiant energy of so many older Japanese women. They don't just move their bodies. They breathe with intention. The synergy between this short physical activation and mindful breathing creates something incredible. Your body's natural growth hormones begin to reawaken. These hormones, which decline after age 40, are responsible for muscle regeneration, bone density, and skin elasticity. By reactivating them naturally through this process, you're not only protecting your muscles, you're supporting your entire anti-aging system. And when you pair this morning ritual with small daily habits, like adding more colorful vegetables, staying hydrated, and prioritizing rest, you create an environment inside your body where aging slows down. Not stops, but slows, gracefully and powerfully. This is how women in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s in Japan and parts of Europe stay so vibrant. They don't chase intensity. They chase consistency. They honor their bodies every morning with a few intentional actions, and their bodies reward them with years of strength, flexibility, and freedom. Now that you understand how this system works together, activation, breathing, and nourishment, it's time to bring all of this together into one practical, easy-to-follow plan that you can start tomorrow morning. It takes less than 5 minutes total, yet the benefits can last a lifetime. Alright, let's bring everything together. Imagine tomorrow morning. You wake up, sunlight gently filling the room. Instead of rushing to the kitchen or checking your phone, you sit at the edge of your bed, plant your feet firmly on the floor, and take a slow breath in. This is your moment. Your body has been resting all night, and now it's ready to reawaken. Start by tightening your thigh muscles. Feel them engage, then slowly release. Do the same with your arms and abdomen. Just 30 seconds of conscious muscle activation. It's simple, it's gentle, but it sends a strong message to your body. We're alive, we're strong, and we're ready. Next, place one hand over your chest and one on your belly. Take a deep breath through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 2, then exhale through your mouth for 6. Feel the calm spread through your entire system. This breathing pattern not only lowers cortisol, but also increases oxygen delivery to your muscles. You're teaching your body to function with balance and grace. Now, as you stand, do a light shoulder roll, circle your ankles, and stretch your arms upward. The entire routine takes under 2 minutes, yet it primes your body better than a cup of coffee ever could. Then, drink your glass of warm water, maybe with lemon, and prepare a small breakfast with protein and fiber, something that nourishes you from the inside. That's it. That's your morning reset, a routine so simple that anyone can do it, yet so powerful it can literally rewrite how your body ages. When you practice this daily, something beautiful happens around the 3rd week. Your posture improves. Your legs feel stronger when you walk. The stairs that once made you pause don't seem as hard anymore. You begin to trust your body again. You catch yourself standing taller, breathing deeper, and moving with confidence. And beyond the physical benefits, there's an emotional one too, because sarcopenia isn't just about muscles, it's about identity. Many women over 60 quietly struggle with the feeling that they're slowing down, that life is shrinking. But the truth is, your body is capable of remarkable recovery at any age. You just need to remind it how. Every time you perform that 30-second trick, you're telling your body, I'm still here. I'm not fading, I'm growing stronger. So if you take one thing from this video, let it be this: you don't have to accept muscle loss as an unavoidable part of aging. You have the power to fight it, gently, naturally, and effectively. It's not about becoming younger, it's about staying powerful, mobile, and free to enjoy every beautiful moment of life ahead. Start tomorrow morning. 30 seconds. Your muscles will thank you, your energy will thank you, and your future self will too. Because the real secret to aging well isn't found in supplements or expensive workouts. It's found in small, consistent actions that remind your body what it's capable of. And now you know exactly how to begin.